Hey gang. Oh, that sounded like I was going to ask you a question. I'm not. This was what I did earlier, showing you a really quick glimpse because I wasn't happy with it and it's now in the bin. So I thought I'd do this video again. So I'm starting with Alaska. I'm doing one coat of this and then I have wiped and buffed it. And I'm now doing a band of foil it, which will be cured for 2 minutes. Just realised I've edited this like to the millisecond, so I need to talk really quickly, I'm afraid. Popping some foil on. Foil is from Diamond Glitters. And these colours I will list in the description below. I thought I'd point at them and say what they were as I said it, but I can't remember. So this, that one is Dolly Daydream. It's one of the new ones. And this is Lemonade. Everything I'm going to flash cure everything as I go, just so I can put things next to other colours. I was listening to a podcast, the Basement Yard podcast, and they were talking about something and I got the giggles. So in a sec, you're going to hear me laugh like an absolute buffoon. I thought I would leave it in here. So anyway, oh no, she's still going. Wait, no. Anyway, I thought I'd leave that in there because my laugh is just awful, and if it makes someone else laugh, then then good. So this is Wild Violet. And I'm now just making it up as I go along. This is Pink Petals. I'm just drawing lines and colours and zigzags and just whatever took my fancy. I was trying to do colours that were in the foil that we used. So that was the plan. Yeah, I still wasn't overly happy with this nail at the end. The one I did that I kind of showed you at the beginning was even worse. The colours didn't go well together and I just I wasn't happy with it. I don't know if I already said, I had done all the editing for it. I've done the voiceover, added some music, same music I've been using all the time, and then just looked at it and thought, no, I'm not putting that out there in the world. So I thought I'd do another one and this be it. So just do some lines, some wiggles, some zigzags, any colours that take your fancy. And once I've put all the colours on, like I say, flash curing as I go, or half curing, or full curing, depending on how I felt at that second. Adding some white bits just to brighten it up a bit. And then thought I'd stick a bit in there. My usual, that will probably do. Nope, I'm going to add more. I'm going to do inside these triangles. Look, I tried to edit this so that it was quick, but I did a really crappy job of it. And then I gave up on doing that because I realised it was late and I need to get this video on. Still trying to do my video a day. There's a good chance you'll get a video of me like doing a Rubik's Cube or something at some point because mojo is waning. But fear not, it won't be like the world's fastest Rubik's Cube video, which I think is about 3 seconds. This guy solves it in. I did time myself because I'm super cool like that. And I did it in about 2.5 minutes. So, you know, don't keep your eyes peeled for that one. Adding some dots and curing everything and then topping with diamond gloss, a kind of thickish coat of it just to smooth out any lumps and bumps from the design. And that is all she wrote. I hope you like it. I hope you have a good Easter. I know it's going to be very different to usual Easters. But thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.